Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year. I'm still saying it because I've just started taping again. And today I am taping Ipsy. Actually, I'm taping a lot of things today, but we are going to focus on our regular, original Ipsy Glam bag. So let's get into it. If you're new to Ipsy, this is their original glam bag. It is $13 a month. You get 5 products, usually deluxe samples. Periodically, they throw in a full-size product for you. I'm going to take out, ooh, did I say January? This is definitely the December bag. Did I not do my December bag? It must have come really late because I made sure before I quit, right before Christmas, that I was caught up. So I must have gotten a late December bag. I don't mind that at all. I like this. It looks like glitter, but it doesn't feel like glitter. Sometimes when they look like glitter, they feel lumpy and obnoxious. This does not. I like it a lot. I am pretty sure this is my December bag, so let's get into it and check it out. Unfortunately, with December, I thought this was my January bag, so I was so good at getting on to see what I had chosen for January. Oh, brush, that I'm not sure what I chose in December. Yeah, December 2021, time to shine. Hi! Want to do Christmas again? Actually, we just did Christmas in our family. We had one of those isolation quarantine things that we had to do. So we just did it this past weekend and it's so fun. But now we are in the new year and we are moving on. So first out of the bag, I have the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kissed. I think last time I got this, if this is the same scent, my husband really liked this. And I like it when I get hand creams he can use too that aren't too floral or just too girly in general. This is 1.03 ounces. My hands, oh my goodness, with all the hand washing, are you kidding me? It's nice and thick. It has just a very spa-like scent. I really think that he'll use it. Although, wow, I will tell you, just that little dot that I put on the back of my hand just made the backs of both of my hands feel really nice. Yeah, he will absolutely use that scent and that will be well loved in our house. And this says that it is a rich hand cream that drenches your hands in velvety smoothness, while marine and floral notes, I can't smell the floral, so don't tell him and he won't know. Awaken your senses. You are sea kissed. Apply anytime. Approved for sensitive skin. My body is not sensitive. My face, wicked sensitive. My body, you could do anything to it. I've always been so jealous of the people that say the same thing about their face. You know, when I talk about I'm sensitive and they're like, I could do anything to my face. So jealous. Next out, I have the Professional. This is 0.1 US fluid ounce. That is what it looks like. Is it the hydrating one? No, it is not the hydrating one. So I will set this aside. I have a full-sized one of these that I do not reach for very often. I will tell you, I received in a FabFitFun probably a year and a half ago 2 of the Marc Jacobs primers, and I love them. I use them for everything. They are so blurring. But that is what that looks like. And a lot of people, this is benefit, and a lot of people love this Professional. Like I said, they have a hydrating one also. The power of the Professional plus 12-hour hydration. Oh, so maybe it is the hydrating one. It doesn't say that. Minimizes the look of pores and fine lines, instantly moistens and refreshes, primes to help makeup stay put. So I will have to look. Oh, it does say hydrate primer. Okay, I take it back. I'm keeping this. I have never in all of my boxings managed to score the hydrating one. And it says right up there, really little hydrate primer. So I'm gonna give this a go. I will let you know if I feel differently about this than I did the regular one. I hope so. In the winter, I want every layer of everything that I put on my face to have hydration in it. I am so dry. Next out, I have a YC Collection Vintage Highlight. So we have a little highlighter. That is what it looks like. It's kind of a golden look. Oh, very creamy and nice. I like that a lot. Can you see that? Let me turn around and see if I can see. Oh, it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. I'm super happy about that. I can see it better with a second layer. It's a really nice shine. It's not chunky. You know, it's not like glitter chunky some highlighters are. I don't love that. This is just really smooth and nice. It's just a tad golden for my skin, but I think it might be light enough that I could pull it off anyway. I like this a lot. Pretty little highlighter. makeup. I love it when our boxes and bags have makeup. We have been so skincare heavy lately. Okay, next out I have an M2U NYC eyeshadow duo. And that is what that looks like. Let's open it and see what we have here. It's actually really pretty. The only thing that it's missing is the base. And I have discovered that I can totally do that by adding a lot of my setting powder that I use under my eyes. I can do that above my eyes too. Very creamy and nice. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. The shimmer is even creamier. And that's the matte, obviously. That's the shimmer. Oh, the shimmer is lovely. The matte, I would need a second dip in. You can kind of tell. But the shimmer is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. I mean, it's kind of a bronzy color. I don't know if that's coming across. That is gorgeous. I would use that with other eyeshadow looks. I like that a lot. The name of the eyeshadow duo is Park Slope. And that's what that looks like. And last but not least, and what I believe was probably my choice, is the Seraphine Botanicals Cranberry Dew Dewy Lip Remedy. And I say this was probably my choice because I am trying as much as possible to make choices in the clean makeup lines. I use plenty of makeup that's not clean. But I thought when I can make a choice that is clean, why not? And here we are in the winter and I'm using so many lip products. That is what that looks like. The only drawback that this would have for me is the fact that it is a pot, something you have to put your finger into and not a stick. But that just means that this will go right by my vanity. And it's what I will put on in the mornings after I've showered when I'm not going anywhere. Oh, it smells really good. Wow, that's a cherry cranberry. That is really nice, but that is what that looks like. It's so pretty and fresh. I love that. Yeah, and I will just put that on my vanity or in my nightstand because I have an old Laneige paddle. Mine came as part of a set, so it came in a tiny little silicone envelope, and I can do that with this in the evenings, and I like it. So I probably would have chosen this, so I'd be moving toward as much clean makeup and especially lippies. Don't think about what we probably put on our lips and where does it go? You know we're ingesting it. Okay, I probably shouldn't have that enough. I haven't taped in a while, you might have guessed, plus I'm a little amped up on caffeine, and I feel like I just want to keep talking to you guys. Like, how have you been? Let me know below how you guys have been doing. How's the new year treating you? Are you managing to stay healthy? Let me know what's going on, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to come by. This is just a quick little Ipsy opening. These were my products. This is the $13 original Ipsy. I always find it to be worthwhile. Usually there's a full-size product. That Seraphine might be full-sized. I'll let you know here if it is. But if not, they just promise 5 deluxe samples anyway. And you get a cute little bag. I always like the little bag. For $13, I don't think you can beat it. It's just one of my favorites because, and you know what? I started my very first YouTube video. I may have pulled it down because it was absolutely so ridiculous. But my very first YouTube video, I think, was an original Ipsy Glam bag. So it's always got a warm place in my heart. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Take care.